We're bringing you the coolest thing from dbest. These are the people that actually created your other go-karts that we have here at QVC called the Trolley Dolly that you know and love. Today, we're going to bring you a collapsible dolly that is a foldable go-kart that you can take anywhere with you. Now, it's got wheels. It folds down flat. You can put it in the trunk of your car, whether it's for cleaning around the house, maybe it's for laundry, maybe it's for your groceries. Today, we're gonna give you the opportunity to get home for $7. Look at this, check this out. It goes anywhere that you'd like, and then when you gotta go down the stairs, oh, check this out over here. Oh, now it turns into a little basket. Then I get here, I can now take it anywhere around my house, and it rotates 360 degrees. Now we have it for you in 3 color choices. We've got it for you in a purple, a gray, and a beautiful kind of aqua blue teal. All 3 of them are available right now, but they should be $47.99. Our price today, we're getting it home to you for $35 or 5 payments of $7 on a credit card. The 85479 is your item number. Now, Diana sees that coming out over here, and let's show everyone right away, though,
yes,
the reason why you and I are both in love with this.
I know,
okay.
Exactly.
Look at this.
Look at that.
It folds flat.
So easy. I know, it's great. And so there's no tools required. You just pop on the wheels when you get this home. It's super lightweight.
Yeah.
You know, it's like about 3 pounds, but it will hold up to 75 pounds.
So listen, hard bottom, okay, but these are basically like little silicone or rubberized edges here that allow it to collapse. And then the wheels on the bottom, let's show everyone those.
Spinner wheels,
yeah.
so 360-degree maneuverability with this. So isn't that great? And now you can also have the option to pop it up just halfway. So in the halfway position, it has about a 6-gallon capacity and 11-gallon capacity in the full here. And this is about 15 inches here. And you've got the 2 different style handles. So you've got your tote handles, so easy to carry around. Or you have the pull handle, as you were demonstrating nicely. And then the whole rim, you can just grab it as well, like a laundry basket.
Right, so it could be your laundry basket. It could be something that you're using for your groceries. I think of like people who, you know, maybe like have kids that have a lot of toys.
How about going to the pool?
Oh my gosh.
All the stuff that you have to bring to the pool, to the beach, wherever you're going. Maybe it's the farmer's market. Maybe it's a teacher bringing stuff in and out.
Farmer's market.
Yes, yes. Craft shows, craft fairs. Maybe you're a crafter. You're bringing stuff. You know, it's just an universal cart that you can have with you at the ready anytime. It stores very easily, and then whenever you need to get something from point A to point B, you can just grab your go-kart and go.
Listen, it's simple, it's smart, it's something that everybody should have in their house. I love the fact that it really is super simple to maneuver this and spin it around, and it's not heavy, so it's not adding weight to the stuff that I'm putting on the inside if you are picking it up just like this with those handles that are on board.
Yes.
Now, I want to let you know right away, the blue is our most popular. If you want it in that kind of aqua teal blue, 1,500 to go around. We have the gray for you in the center right there. We have the purple over here, and no matter which one you're choosing, they all do the same thing. But here at QVC, we're not charging you $47.99. That's the retail value. That's what you would pay at dbest's own website.
Right.
Here, our price, $35 or an easy payment of just $7 on a credit card. Wow, you could put it right in your car.
Put it right in the car, exactly, filled up or not. Use it for the laundry in your home, or maybe you have like a kid in a dorm where you've got to walk down the hallway to do your laundry. You know, great for crafting kind of things, going to the pool, all the stuff that you need to put. You don't have to worry about this getting dirty. You know, maybe it's just a way to put your bird seed and, you know, drag it from the garage all the way out to the bird feeder. Instead of carrying stuff, it's really about making your life easier. If you can pull something, why not?
Wow.
Instead of having to carry it.
And you know what? Anybody that knows me knows that I loved that video where it had the with the cleaning supplies.
Yes.
Because I am that person that has like 4 different types of bottles and 3 different types of cloths for different surfaces in the house.
Yeah.
And I want to drag all of them around to every room because it makes it easier.
Yes.
Today we're giving you the opportunity to do it with the dbest cart, and I love that you were able to go over the carpet with it.
Yes.
So maybe you live in a
surfaces.
building, an apartment building, you come home from the grocery store. How do you get from the car, up the elevator, all the way down the hallway to your apartment?
Right.
This is the way that you do it. But when you bring it home, it takes up no space.
That's right. So whether it's in the back of your car or you're storing it in the garage or you're just storing it in a cabinet, you know, it's about 5 inches with the wheels, about 3.5. here. So you know, you can tuck it away this way, you can tuck it away, you could store it under a bed. I mean, you can put it so many places. And again, you have those two positions. So, you know, you could use it in this smaller position or pull it all the way up and have this nice thing. You know,
Is there a weight capacity on this?
75 pounds.
75?
Yeah. We had some friends over for the Eagles game a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
And I had this out because, you know, I knew I was getting ready to sell it. And we have a fridge in the basement that has all like our sodas and extra waters and adult beverages.
Oh, yeah.
What did I do? I went right down into the basement with this, filled it up,
Oh my
brought
gosh,
it
so smart.
upstairs instead of, you know, trying to take like 6 different trips back and forth. So you just
smart.
find different ways to use it when you have it around.
Listen, it's really smart. It comes from the brand that brings you the trolley dolly and all the different types of pull cart options that we bring to you here at QVC. Whether it is the groceries, the laundry, the pet toys, the kids' toys, the pool toys, we've got it for you in color choices. Blue, which is like this really cool kind of like teal aqua blue. Gray, which you're seeing right over here. And then I'll fold down the purple so that you can see again. Look at how easily that folds down. They all come with the casters. The only thing you need to do is pop those
Yeah,
in.
you just push them right in.
So,
Yep, easy.
Always a pleasure to have you in the show, Diana Seedstead.
Thanks so
Thank you.
much.
She
Great
brings
to
us
be
so many
here.
great organizing and storage solutions. All right, continue placing your orders for that via 85479. That's your item number, and that's brand new today. But right now, we've got our best find and value of the day from EcoFlow. Let's check it out.
We're here at the